Hey guys, this is Kevin from Adventure Garage, and today I'm going to teach you everything about the headlights. First thing you need to do is this screw right here that needs to be So right now we've gotten the entire head unit use. As you can see, here's the screw. Take that out, drop this off. Grab this off the headlight unit. This is just the round chrome piece. You can actually find these on Quadratech if yours is just destroyed. So you can see here we've got all of this loose here. So what you're going to want to do is find where it's leaking. Okay, so down here we've got this spring that holds it in, and you have three places where you want to put the headlight. So we've got this one screw here, another screw right here, and then another one down here. So we're going to align these with 3 holes. So you can see that one goes in right there. So as we can see here, we've got these wires right here, and then this is the plug right here, and this connects the headlight and the rest of this. This is for my halos. Now that we have the entire headlight housing removed, we have to have 3 mounting points. One, the spring is right in here. It's right here. That holds it so that when you're adjusting the headlight, it pulls back. And then we've got this location up here, and this location right here, and those are adjusted by these big screws here and here. And the place for the spring is right below that screw right there. But up here, I actually have a Phillips head screwdriver, and that adjusts that so the vertical up and down position. And then this one over here, I believe is a 10mm, but we'll double check. And that goes into the side here. And depending on if you have this light guard on here, we've got this upper screw here, and then the lower screw, and then we've got the 3rd screw right over here. So you gotta make sure these are screwed in. I recommend adjusting against a garage door or some kind of wall where you can see where the brake line is. Alright, so now that we've got the top one and the side here both screwed in and tightened nice and tight, you can see that the head unit is moving a little bit, but that'll definitely change when we put on the ring. So putting on the ring is a little tricky. I like to line it up, and as you can see, there's this nice hole right there for the inside of that. And if you get real close and you check it out, you can see where it adjusts to. As I was attempting to adjust the other side, I took out the screw, and I actually took it out from the bottom there, but as you can see, this bezel doesn't want to get out. So what's a nice feature here is you've got this little hole here. You can take a screwdriver, pop it in there, and just kind of wiggle this thing off. It's a little violent, but it's what you just got to do. And voila. So in the vehicle itself, we see that we have this button here called lights. When you pull it out, you'll actually see the dash illuminate. But if you want the dash to turn off, you actually turn that to the left, and it shuts off the lights on the dash. When you turn it to the left, the lights pop back on, and they're a little bit adjustable. So if you've got the knob pulled all the way out, that'll be your, not your brights, but your full-time running lights. And I'll show you what that looks like. And then we've got just the accessory lights, and that'll also keep on the dash lights. And then if you push it all the way in, that kills the dash lights, and you don't have anything. And when you want to turn on your brights, you actually have this thing down here on the left, right there. Click it on, click it off. You can hear it's nice and steady. And you'll also see a little blue light come on. That launch right here. Very dim, but with just the accessory lights on, we can see down here that we've got our amber turning signals, and then I also have my blue halos set up here. We've got the side turn signal, and as you can see, we also have our tail lights and the side tail light with all of the accessories, including that. And the tail lights are exactly the same as before. As you can see, this is what it looks like without the ring on. A quick tip is, if you're actually struggling to keep your lights on, be very careful. Don't go take it right to someone, because right here, this one usually becomes very loose and difficult, so you just gotta get some electrical tape and tape it up in there really good. Otherwise, they might just turn off on you.